Well, welcome to Just a Man and His Deuce and a Half. I am Bill, and the truck is running excellent, as always. No leaks as of yet. Power steering is still where it should be. So, all is well. So I do hope you enjoy this video. And please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And like, and please leave a comment. This is the kit Waterloo Specialties used to make. I'm going to pull these hoses off and pull this pump out. Input shaft is on the inside, back behind that gear. Anyway, I'll set you guys back up back here. Okay. I think 9/16 of that. I'm gonna grab it. Alright, I've been waiting on parts, bearings to be specific, but could never get the right bearings for this, so I'm just putting this power steering hydraulic pump back together. There really isn't nothing, even the bearings wasn't that bad, but while I had it apart, I was hoping to just rebuild it. But anyways, so since that can't happen, and I don't drive this truck that much, so anyway, I am going to go ahead and put this thing back together. Right. So, whoa, and y'all don't realize the time lapse since the last time that I took this apart. It's been a couple months. So, what I did find, let's see if I can find the O-ring. Yeah, right here. So, I don't know if focus, you can see, you should be able to see that. Basically, this O-ring was, oh, the camera shit. Alright, basically this O-ring was right here. And when I put it back together a couple years ago, a year ago maybe, I guess it got squished. So, what I'm going to do this time, I'm going to use a little bit of grease to help hold it in there. I should have done that the last time, but you know, sometimes you just get in a hurry, and you know, well, that's normally the end of everything. You get in a big hurry. So, and you know, I don't have an exact, well, I don't know what O-ring is supposed to be in here, but this O-ring fits quite perfectly. So, anyway, that's going to go on that. But, now to put the main part back together, which is part of this thing. Alright. Let's see if I can remember how this went. Something. Ant bit me or something. Alright. Basically, I believe this is going to go up into here. Alright. Fun part for me is remembering. Alright. So this one was the old seal. It was showing some wear, but it wasn't terrible. I was able to get a new seal. Which for some stupid reason, I don't know why. But, so basically, and again, I don't know if you can see this, but let's see if I can rotate. Yeah, right there. So you can kind of see I'm missing a roller. So I don't know if that roller, if I lost it here, which I did it on this table. There really wasn't nowhere for it to go. I kind of assuming I lost it the first time I put it together. So, but basically, we are going to put all this together. I got to put it on here. I don't know if that's going to work. I just want to make sure. Well, heck. Let's go ahead and throw the seal on it. Maybe I can put it all together at the same time. I'm kind of doubting it. Oh, that's incorrect. No, that's right. That's right. Well, that ain't gonna work. Alright, so that's gotta go in first. Ooh. see if I have to edit this a lot. Anybody else have to wear glasses? But wearing your glasses, you're worse off. Alright, let me go see if I got a punch or what you call it thing. Alright, let's see if it don't exactly fit. Sounds like I bottomed out. Okay. Alright. That's done. That's done. Now to see if I can. Hey. Look at me go. Like a deadgum professional. Wipe that out. Alright. Where is, I think this had a snap ring. Yeah, right there. That held all of that in. Where's my snap ring pliers? Let's see here. Let's see them. All right. Ooh. Well, that didn't work. Bang. All right. That's in. Okay. Now for the fun part here. Alright, let's do this again. Maybe, just put all the Alright, what else do I have here? This just gonna go here and here, and then here. And then that should go here and there. This bad boy is going to go here. And like that, that part is put together. Now, this oh, spring. You know, owning these trucks are a lot of fun when they're going and running and stuff. This part of it's kind of a pain in the butt, but you know, if you own a car, truck, or anything that's 30 or over 30 years old, you're gonna have these moments of working on it. And yeah, it is no fun whatsoever. I say that. I do get a little bit of gratification, I guess you'd say, from fixing it, knowing that I fixed it. I didn't have to pay somebody to do it, even though, man, there's been times I just as soon pay somebody to do something. Like when I did the heads, I don't wish that on no one. That was heavy, and it was hot. Of course, you know, I live here in Alabama. It's not known for having polite summers. Let's see if that'll shake its way back in there. I think I'm gonna have to get it a lot closer. I got it too high. I am not hitting the shaft, if anyone is cringing. So no, I am. And I never claimed to be a mechanic, nor have I ever wanted to be, really. I can't see what I'm doing. I can't see if I'm lined up. Yeah, actually I do look lined up. Lined up enough. There she goes. Oops. Alright. We gotta. And like that. The pump is mostly together. At least it's together. Now all I gotta do is tighten the bolts, throw it back on the truck. Anyway. Alright, to the next step. Alright. Sorry, I started installing this, forgot the camera. Anyway, such an amateur. But anyway, putting the pump back on the truck. Got the hoses hooked up I gotta make sure the fittings are tight before I throw the radiator back in here, which I'm not looking forward to the radiator. But anyway, so I'm gonna tighten these up to the proper torque settings. So yeah, there's a couple bolts that go all the way through. Most of them are just studs. Yeah, click, click. Let's see, this one is the other one. Let's see if I can get a wrench back here. There you go. You ever want to get a hold of the engineer who designed this? You know, whatever it is you're working on, because they did not take in consideration the guy going to be working on it. Okay, let's try this again. Yeah, I lost it very far. Finally. Click, click. About time to oil up my ratchets. Click, click. Okay. Yes. Okay. Good and tight. Good and tight. All right. Next is the radiator. I don't like the radiator. I don't like it. Anyway, all right.